Hey guys, welcome to episode 3 of the Hot Rod project. If you haven't seen episode 1 and 2, make sure you check them out to see how we got to this point. This is the most insane hot rod you are going to see. So right now we are doing the CAD design for the new front suspension. So as you can see in my previous episodes, it had just basically a temporary bracket for the upper control arms, and we need to make that more permanent. So this is how we did it. Okay guys, so we got an order from Send Cut Send, so this is it. I'm gonna open this up right now and we're gonna see what's inside. Sour Patch Kids treat, and we got a whole bunch of stuff. Here we go. Oops. Boom, just like that. Cone, that's my name, don't wear it out. This stuff is also so thick. So this, and then I guess we gotta assemble the whole thing. What's going on, buddy? Okay, so this is the before. There's a bee trying to get me, I don't know if you saw that. And here we have it. So this is kind of what it looks like. Yeah, well, you can see it, but it looks pretty good. So these are kind of motor plate holes, so it'd be from here to here and go all the way up to somewhere around here. This is our upper control arm here. This is for the lower cross member here, and this is pretty heavy, but a little weight in the front of it really doesn't hurt anything, and the structural rigidity is you know, gonna be stellar on this. So I did start welding it a little bit just to see how it welds, and it looks pretty good. Looks like should weld together pretty nice. This material is really clean. I mean, not even, I didn't hit that with like a DA or anything. I think I'm gonna finish weld the whole thing and bring it over to the frame. We'll see how it goes on that. Again, we also have more parts here that I didn't really show yet, so let's see. So we have our King Kong doublers. Boom. So this goes, let me see if I can figure it out. It can actually go on either side. So you can use it on the inside for strength, or you can use it on the outside on any C4 Corvette for a shim. So it can work as a doubler or a shim. This is the next part. I don't know if you guys can guess what it is. If you can, then throw it in the comments now. But boom, that's it. So that's one of them done. Needs to be welded obviously, but that's really it. You just gotta make sure they're a little straight. So that's one of them. That's a lower shock mount, and that'll fit like a QA1 or whatever coilover you have. And then here we go, this is number 2. So I'm gonna weld these up and let's see how they look. As you can see, it took a little longer than I expected. So this is the finished product. So as you can see, I got my logo in the center. It's welded across the back, welded up front. As of right now, it's complete. It's ready to drop in. It's super solid. It's gonna stiffen up the project quite a bit, so I'm looking forward to seeing how this fits on. Just have to go in straight. There we go. Just like that.